Hello everyone. I don't know why I'm so sleepy. Wait, no, I'm lying. Actually, no. Yesterday, my parents and we watched a fight between Mike Tyson and Paul. Anyways, I went to sleep kinda late, so right now I'm feeling like I will pass out any minute. But it's okay. It's currently almost 11. I already cleaned the apartment a bit, prepared it for my friends to come. So this is my outfit. Lip oil.
Oh, that's not even...
I don't understand.
Welcome to the vlog! Welcome to the vlog! Yes! Welcome! We need an edit out of that.
Final sound. Oh my god, this is genius.
So cute.
Earl Grey, 25% sugar boba. I would do better. I should choose something else. It's like so basic. My mom's focaccia with cheese and jalapeno and also guacamole. It's currently 3:24. I'm going to make my friend's sago.
What's going on? Hi. A big, beautiful smooch from a beautiful woman.
Guys, she kissed me. Do you think I have a chance with her? Ah! Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
It's Brittany.
What's your name?
I am Stacy Epiglottis.
At least one normal person in this house, guys. This one, Sarah. So right now, these guys will make a sago. I bought this type of yogurt and this frozen fruit. Yeah, like it's not the one you pour, but it's more like thick texture because I couldn't find like yeah. Mix it, guys.
It's making weird sounds. Yes, we'll put some like soup beats over there.
Yeah.
Oh, delish!
I'm such a diva type of.
Alright, we're doing one.
Okay, guys, moment of truth. It's very pink, it's very Barbie, but it's okay.
So far away from the hole.
guys like it? As long as you like it, I like it too. Okay, it's not that bad. All the forests, all the mountains are in Vancouver. Oh my god!
Smash. Pass.
Pass, yeah, him pass. Oh yeah. Oh,
It's my mouth!
legendary moment.
He's gonna vomit. He's so sticky.
You're being recorded.
Sam, help me.
What's this? Oh no! Oh. Let's go!
Smash.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Guys, we are playing Dress to Impress. Literally our favorite game right now. I also have here Pinterest with ideas. So I will record some videos with my super cute Haga lamps. I feel so tired right now because I couldn't sleep until 2 AM. But anyway, soon I will get a shipment iPhone update. Yay! So right now I'm going to buy a new case for it because I'm too lazy to wait for shipment of case. That's why I need some phone case for first, I don't know, a few weeks. Guys, I'm so happy right now. It's much bigger. Just look at it compared to my previous 13 mini. Literally. I already transferred all the data. My Misa Mana wallpaper, I love it. It's like I noticed a big difference between the screens. It's so much smoother, it's really crazy, and also now I can finally play Genshin on my phone. Also I download Resident Evil, which will be really interesting. The case I bought earlier. I usually don't buy transparent ones because I'm scared of them getting yellow, but this one it's like was the only good option. What the hell, guys? I bought it for iPhone 15 and I didn't know. Guys, I feel like I'm kind of genius actually. Guys, I just came back with finally the correct one, 15 Pro, so let's decorate. I just wonder how fast it will go yellow. I love how transparent cases look like, but they just go yellow very fast, that's why I don't buy them. So right now I want to decorate. I have these new jeans stickers that I didn't open yet. Maybe right moment to open. Stray Kids photo cards or new jeans photo cards. It's so hard to choose. There is also my favorites, Irene. New jeans, this one I really like. Oh my god, so funny. I might just put this one and this one. I have this little card of Hein, so I might use it too. I even have the Stray Kids stickers. Okay guys, so this is how it looks right now. I felt like this two is the most good option. Even though they both are black, this one is like you see. So pretty. And it looks like fashionable, kind of like. You know what I mean? So happy.